Basil offers account owners and team members different ways to keep track of information for a client's primary user, client user, and associated contacts. To see this information, navigate to the People tab, then select the CRM option to the right side of the screen. Here, you will find a list of all primary users and client users that you have invited to your Basil platform, as well as users who have been sent, download, upload, or form links, and any manually created contacts. With this page, you can manage the information indicated in the column headers, such as names, title, alternate email address, phone numbers, addresses, and additional information. Click the three-dot menu under the Actions column and select Edit. For primary and client users, there will be two tabs on the Contact Information Edit window. The first is the Primary User or Client User tab, which allows you to edit the user's first and last name. If the user has not yet registered their account, you'll have the option to change their email address. The other tab is the Contact Detail tab, which shows for all CRM rows and allows you to add or update information for the user's other fields, such as alternate email address and shipping address. Press Update when you are finished, and you'll see the new information added to the page. You can also press the Custom Fields button on the top right to add your own fields to show in the CRM, such as birth date and alternate contact. By default, any primary or client user invited to Basil will appear on the CRM page. You may have other contacts of your clients whose information you need to keep on file but do not need to be invited to Basil. You can use the Basil CRM page to keep track of those contacts as well. To add contact information for a user who does not have to be invited to the Basil platform, go to the top right of the CRM page and click the Add button. This will open the Add Contact window. You can fill in all the information for the contact you wish to add and use the first column to associate them with the relevant client. You can also use the Add More option in the bottom left to add multiple contacts at once. When you are done, click on the Save option, and the contact will be added to the CRM page. Basil allows you to export the information you have on your CRM page to a CSV file for your use. To export your CRM information, click on the CSV option on the top right. This will export all contact information when you click this button. Your CRM data will be downloaded through your web browser, typically to your PC's Downloads folder, and you'll receive a Contacts Export Successfully message.